Hey, can I see that gun?
Careful there.
I promise I won't hurt you.
Oh, that's good.
It's you. I knew you existed. I didn't mean to scare you. I had to make sure it was you. He's the guy, right? He's some kind of special ops guy.
I think you have the wrong idea.
No. I've been monitoring the paper, certain items on the blotter, and crime rates, police band chatter, and it all adds up. It becomes very clear.
Not yet, it doesn't.
You don't just have, hello, a series of controlled explosions here and a dip in violent crime there. You have to ask yourself, what is the connection? Who's the connection? So I think to myself, we're not talking about Spider-Man. We're talking about a real guy who has to practice. So I did a Fermi estimate, and I got 63% odds that he lives within a 5-mile radius of this gun range, so... Yeah, all that seems to confirm to me that you are the guy. No, you have to help me. You're the guy.
What can I say? I'm not the guy.
That's a lie. You lied. Very, very convincingly, as any trained operative would. But listen, you have to help me. I don't want to make you, but I will if I have to. Okay, he's an operative. This guy's a very famous. He's a rogue agent, special operatives guy.
Okay, fine. We're gonna talk. Boy, are we gonna talk.